Hey guys, long time no see. Today we're going to make Korean braised short ribs. In Korean garbage gym, we normally eat that during holidays, but we're going to make it just for you. Let's begin.
These are the short ribs and they've been soaking in water for 4 hours. Every hour I've drained out the water and blood and refilled it with water. Depending on how much blood is in the meat, you may need to do it for more or less time. I'm now going to drain the meat and give it one final wash.
Turn it to high.
Allow this to boil for an hour and then we'll move on to the next step. Now we're gonna skim off the scummy, oily bits on top. We're going to put the radish in for 15 minutes total, and then we're going to add some more vegetables. Now we're going to add the carrots in. It's been 7 minutes since we've put in our Korean radish.
Looks so good. Oh, we got the bones, meat, veggies.
This is 2 onions and a bunch of green onions and 7 serrano peppers.
Try this.
I eat mine a little bit more daintily than him.
It's fantastic. Gonna have rice with this. What do you think?
Oh, it's really good. It has a little bit of sweetness and saltiness, and the meat is very tender.
Exactly. That's all we have. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!